Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S coming here with another reaction. Yeah. And today, guys, we're here with Vybz Kartel. Money chaser. Vybz Kartel, the lyrical genius himself, the teacher, the world boss. It's going to be lots of metaphors, similes, and bully for other things. We're going to play on words and all of them things. We're going to go over my head. So, that's why you guys are here in the comment section to help me out in the comment section and tell me where I'm saying this or where I mean this. So, let's go.
You hear this blood clot, MOB, nigga. Money over bitches, motherfucker.
MOB, money over bitches. That's a cut from Shutters, the movie.
MOB, nigga. Money over bitches, motherfucker. Practice what the fuck you preaching.
I know of right with the money they away from these bitches. My God leaded me. Turbo, any boy try stop the food, we a track them back. Watch them. And I chase me a chase money, me a chase any with the cranberry money was the cure for the pandemic.
This is disgusting. Vybz Kartel is here with like in play upon words. Yo, fuck it. Me done.
Right with the money they away from these bitches. My God leaded me. Turbo, any boy try stop the food, we a track them back. Watch them. And I chase me.
So I must say, any boy I try stop the food, any boy we are getting out of the way of him and the bag, him and the money. I drag them butt, I flick them butt, I fly them butt.
Turbo, any boy try stop the food, we a track them back. Watch them. And I chase me a chase money, me a chase any with the cranberry money was the cure for the pandemic.
Hear them, my youth?
Me, Turbo, any boy try stop the food, we a track them back. Watch them. And I chase me a chase money, me a chase any with the cranberry money was the cure for the pandemic.
Bumbo, girl a chase me a chase money. I chase any with the cranberry. Yo! So him start with him play upon words already, you know. Him start with the play upon words already. Cause him say, girl a chase him a chase money whilst chasing any with the cranberry. So there's two type of different chasing. You can chase a drink and you chase the money. You hunt your money. So him start with the play upon words already, dog. Like, teacher, chill, man.
Me, Turbo, any boy try stop the food, we a track them back. Watch them. And I chase me a chase money, me a chase any with the cranberry money was the cure for the pandemic.
Money was the cure for the pan belly. So money was the cure for the pan belly. Let me try and get that in my own term now. Money is the cure for the pan belly. The pan belly are the belly of the beast. You don't know. So you must say, yo, money if you buy the shot if you put it in the pan belly. Get it? Money if you buy the shot and put it in the pan belly magazine.
I chase money, me a chase any with the cranberry money was the cure for the pandemic. Can't left the Glock with the bang belly, nah see the Danberry.
Nah, let the Glock with the bang belly. When somebody say, oh, move and see your belly bang, that means your belly big. Nah, let the Glock with the bang belly, the big belly matic. Nah, left it. You understand? Yeah.
Can't left the Glock with the bang belly, nah see the Danberry. Better you have it and no want it. More than fin have it and need it, charge it.
Better you have it and don't want it, you know, dog. Than if you need it and can't get it or don't have it, you know. And one of the worst things that, you know, if you need it, you have need different from wants. When you need something and you can't get it, it's fuck up. You understand? From when you want it and you can't get it. Like, it's just levels.
Can't left the Glock with the bang belly, nah see the Danberry. Better you have it and no want it. More than fin have it and need it, charge it. The boy them did charge me for murder, me boss it like bump and walk.
The boy them did charge him for murder, him bust it like bump and walk. So I must say him bust a murder case there and like bump and just walk.
Charge it, the boy them did charge me for murder, me bust it like bump and walk. Tougher than a car can talk, better cricket ball. Try and walk, me it crawl. Madman.
Car can talk, you know what make car can talk, brother? Same say cricket ball. So we as kids growing up usually make car contact ball. So car contact ball is when you get a lot of plastic. This is how we make it. I know how we make it. Lots of plastic. Like if it's a plastic jug or bag or melt it up and melt up everything together and roll it in a one ball. Yeah. Car contact ball. So we go outside go play cricket with that. That lick in, brother. I'm telling you, dog.
charge it. The boy them did charge me for murder, me bossy like bump and walk. Tougher than a car can talk, that a cricket ball. Giant walk, midget crawl, bad mind call. Say we arise, them a fall. I know our fault, you no pull the fault to no solve.
Bad mind call, so we arise and them a fall. So basically, bad mind them can't take if you know say yo, we still there, so and we still arise and them a fall. Like who them a call though?
Bad mind call, say we arise, them a fall. I know our fault, you no pull the fault to no solve. If you no focus, you get lost na the sauce. Last than Dante, you feel big up cross.
If you no focus, you get lost in the sauce. If you no focus, you get lost in the sauce. But know when I said this, so but me I try to get a different meaning of it. I think at this moment I'm thinking too hard, because anything Kartel say, there is always a meaning behind it. So I guess I'm just thinking. I think this is just an next rhyme, but I'm just thinking, is there a deeper meaning behind it? That's why I'm pausing it so much. Also, Kartel lyrics are different.
Bad mind call, say we arise, them a fall. I know our fault, you no pull the fault to no solve. If you no focus, you get lost na the sauce. Last than Dante, you feel big up cross. They dead like fool, a girl make him lose. You a carry up.
Who dead like fool? A girl make him lose.
And Dante, you feel big up cross. They dead like fool, a girl make him lose. You a carry out it and left the flowers by your shoes.
Say him call out a person, even if a Pepe or baby or something, him say dead like fool, a girl make him lose. Let him say yo. Let him say
they dead like fool, a girl make him lose. You a carry
out hit and left the flowers by your shoes. Mean say yo, you left the red by your shoes, the red, the blood by your shoes. Evidence.
And Dante, you feel big up cross. They dead like fool, a girl make him lose. You a carry out it and left the flowers by your shoes. Money, I'm a friend, could be no stranger. Money, I'm a friend, me a real money chaser.
So, apart from them gun, money I'm friend, money I'm virgin. If my money sit down and reason more time. Money know when I'm hungry, money know say, yo, listen, me need that. Me no want that, me need that. Money I'm friend, money I'm best friend. Apart from them gun, you know.
Money, I'm a friend, me a real money chaser. Money chaser, me a money chaser. Get the money down.
I think this is also a Turbo production. And the last song where him voice with Turbo. Tell them Turbo, you can't hold me upon the corner. You have to catch me in a house like Tony Montana. That was the last one that I know of, because he mentioned Turbo Night. He probably do other project for Turbo, but me don't know. But anytime him and Turbo link up and do a project, it's always a banger.
Me a money chaser. Get the money down. Don't see the money from the bank. We no work with check, cash a hard copy. Money bag heavy, but we not drop it. This is our pick me money, so we not give no all at it.
This is our kids' money. This is our future. This is for the kids' them future. We out there make it and give them something where our parents never give it. So this is our kids' money, so we're not gonna worry it. We're not gonna haul at it. We're not gonna bitch with money just like that. No, sir. For the kids' them, these are the investment. These are the houses on the hills, the businesses, and the nice cars, and the nice life, you know, jet life. Yeah.
This is our pick me money, so we not give no all at it. Money I know everything. Still money good for do many things charging.
Money is not everything. Money is not everything. But you still need it to do many things. Facts, words.
Money I know everything. Still money good for do many things charging. Government want audit the teacher. They have nothing to tell you none talk.
Government want audit the teacher. Government want test the teacher. Government want chat to the teacher, but here I mean I have nothing to tell them none tall, brother.
Government want audit the teacher. They have nothing to tell you none tall. Money I'm a friend could be no stranger. Money I'm a friend, me a real money chaser. Money chaser. Me a money chaser. Get the money down. Right with the money they away from these bitches, my God leaded me. Turbo, any boy try stop the food, we a drop them back, watch them. And I chase me a chase money, me a chase any with the cranberry. Money was the cure for the pandemic. Can't left the Glock with the bang belly, now see the Danberry. Better cause you have it and I want it. More than finna it and me did charge it. The boy them did charge me fi murder me bossy like pump and walk. Tougher than a cock and talk like a cricket ball. Giant walk me did crawl, bad mind call. So we
Giant walk me fi crawl. I miss some part then because I was concentrating on the walk and cock and talk cricket ball line when I said. That's what I missed that one, you know.
Them did charge me fi murder me bossy like pump and walk. Tougher than a cock and talk like a cricket ball. Giant walk me did crawl, bad mind call.
Giant walk me fi crawl. Giant walk me fi crawl or walk me fi crawl.
Tougher than a cock and talk like a cricket ball. Giant walk me did crawl, bad mind call. So we arise them a fall. I know our fault, you no pull the fault to the solve. If you no focus, you get lost na the sauce. Last than Dante, you feel big up cross. If you dead like fool, I can make him lose. You a carry out it and left the flowers on your shoes. Money I'm a friend could be no stranger. Money I'm a friend, me a real money chaser. Money chaser. Me a money chaser. Run. Get the money back. Run. Me a money chaser.
Yo. Kartel dropped a lot of songs recently, so I think this is from his EP. Kartel have got more and more songs. Like when Kartel just got arrested and there was songs still dropping, but when Kartel got sentenced, me I say, yo, John was that we're not gonna hear no more Kartel song. How wrong was I? And I'm sure I'm not the only person thinking that we have to just go and live with the old Kartel song then because him can't go drop no more song. Jesus Christ. This artist record the most song day to day, brother. Like, I don't know another artist will do it, bro. Do you know? Like, this artist is different. It's not even an artist anymore. It's not even an artist. Yo, teacher, big up here, man. Big up here, man. The verse them well compact. Turbo, big up. The verse them well compact, well put together. As usual, we expect nothing from better from Kartel. But this is the rhythm. The rhythm is a banger. The rhythm is a banger. Big up the production team behind this. We got the production T100 Records. Big up. Big up. This bad. Yo, there's not much we can say, yo. This bad. That's all we can say. This is bad. But this is how I'm going to leave that one still. If you enjoyed that one, I want to see more. Just leave a like on this video. Please leave a like on the video. I would appreciate that. Subscribe around there if you're new, because a lot of you guys watch but don't subscribe, which I understand. But just subscribe around there, you know. Hit the bell. You know, say, yo, get a video. Get a notification anytime we go live or anytime we drop a video. So, you know, say you're there, see me. And I will see you guys in the next one. For real.